I was just a normal student. I wasn't a homecoming king. I wasn't a star athlete. I didn't earn a varsity letter. I was just a normal, everyday student who went to class. But I wouldn't consider myself like the top of Mount Rushmore of popular students or students who you would expect to win this type of award. I think the one of the largest impacts that I've had in the field of education is just being able to be a representative for young black men. Black male teachers only account for 2% of the population. So it's very rare that a young African-American male can see someone who looks like him, dresses like him, but present social studies or math or biology or something in a way that's engaging, but also in a way that makes them confident and proud to be themselves. Well, SVSU taught me how to have fun in the middle of nowhere. What's the saying? Dance like nobody's watching. It showed you how to make more with less and how to do more with less. And as you know, as a teacher, depending on where you end up, you may not have a lot of resources. You may not have a lot of people within your building. So you have to know how to do more with less. So the teachers program gave me such a diverse student teaching experience. I was at Carlton Middle, I was at White Pine Middle, I was at Saginaw High. They prepared me for anything that I could see in the field of education. I was ready to be successful, whether it was somewhere really privileged or not so privileged, where it was somewhere with a lot of resources or not a lot of resources. And I also knew that I had built enough connections within the education program that if I needed help, I had people to call, I had people to email, and they would help me in a drop of a hat. If you're good to the valley will be good to you. If you pour yourself into this university, the university will give back tenfold. I'm able to receive so much love and so much help and so much different avenues of networking that I know if I had just been in my shell and just in a book and in my dorm room and not doing anything, none of that stuff would have been able to come to fruition for me. So do good by the SVSU, and SVSU will do good by you.